Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to import passwords to Brave browser. So guys, in order for you to do that process, first things first is open up your Brave browser. And now once you are on your Brave, you just simply select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And now over here, you can just simply go ahead and then go through the settings down below. Now here on the settings, you can just simply go ahead and go for the autofill and passwords. Now at the first option, you will have a password manager. Click on it. Now over here, you can just simply go for the settings on the left side, guys. And now select file over here in order for you to import a password. So guys, make sure to select a CSV file, and I'm just gonna simply locate the password that I have and click on it, Brave password. And from here, click on open. And from here, as you can see, we have successfully imported a file into our password manager, and you could delete the file so others who use this device can see your passwords. So if you want that feature, you can just simply click on this and select view password, and you should be able to see your newly added password. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.